going to try to video this while I'm doing it so that you can see what it's about. Okay, it says to insert and take out your card. Now, your card is a chip, so insert it again, which I've done. Okay, enter my PIN. Okay, now I want a cash withdrawal. My checking account. I'm going to try to get 10,000. Do I want a receipt? Yes. Do I want to continue? Yes. They're charging 58 pesos, which is normal. I've seen it up to, this is the one where they say, do you want to accept their conversion? And down here we say decline. And then take my cash.